the contributors of Litmus. I will probably share my screen. Yeah. So just a second. Yeah. So in this demo session, I will be introducing some of the enhancement we made on EC2 experiment. If you go to Hub, there is it is open marketplace for all the experiments. So just search for EC2. You will have some EC2 experiments like EC2 terminate by IDs and by tag. So in the earlier version of EC2 experiment, we were targeting our EC2 instances based on given tag, that also a single tag, image ID, sorry. Uh, then that image, and then our experiment was going to that ID and terminating that instance for a certain chaos duration. But with this, in this latest version, we enhance it and kept in a different experiments just for making the user to run in a simple way. We'll just select the instances based on tags and IDs. So first of all, I will introduce you what is EC2 instances termination using ID. So in ID, if you open the CR, there are some enhancement made. We can provide the number of instance IDs to terminate in place of single instances. We have different sequence of terminating the instances. Earlier, we don't have this. You can terminate all the instances at once using parallel mode, or you can terminate one after other using serial mode. And we have some chaos intervals introduced, like if you want to give some time duration between two successive intervals, you can give. And this is all about ID, termination using ID. We have the other one, which is tag. This is also very much similar. It is having the termination logic embedded using instance tag. So if you go inside, there is instance tag you can provide along with instance affected percentage. I will tell you what it is. So instance tag, you just provide in a format called key and values of the tag, and the target affected percentage is that, so you will get some filtered instances out of the total instances running on certain region. Let's suppose this is one of the reason I am having some 6 VMs running here. I can target, I can filter out some 4 or 5 VMs using tags, and I can target the percentage of VMs which I want to take under the chaos using instance affected percentage. This one. By default, it is taking one instance only, but you can give according to your scenario. So we'll just start. We'll just start our workflow. Sorry for that. Just start our workflow. Just take, I'll just, you are familiar with Amit's demo, I guess, with all the features. I'll just schedule a workflow. We'll just take my hub for running the experiment. We'll move forward. We'll just add a new experiment. Here we will select the termination using tag, EC2 termination using tag. Yeah, this one. So once we added our experiment, we'll just go inside and check the ENVs, whatever are there. You can keep annotation check false. Job cleanup policy we can retain as well, just for logging purposes. You can finish it here. You can see the YAML as well. Yeah. So this is the experiment. So I can target all the instances. I will give 100% of the instance affected percentage. So it will target all the instances which are filtered from the tag. I can give the tag. I have some instances with tag called team DevOps. All those instances. This is in the region called US is 1. Yeah, you can save it. Yeah, I am not reverting chaos right now. I'll just go ahead and I will give full 10 points. Yeah, I can schedule it now. Yeah, okay. Now I'm done. I've just finished the workflow. So the experiment is now scheduled. It is now installing installing the chaos experiment. So once it is installed, it will launch experiment pod called some EC2 terminate pod, which will have the logic to inject the chaos. So there is only one prerequisite for running this experiment. You have to create a secret. If you go to docs.litmuschaos, we will find in the sidebar of about every experiment, and there are some prerequisites. You can take a look of this if you're trying it out. You can select those instances. You can create a secret on a kiosk namespace wherever you are running. So I have configured this already, where you will provide the access ID and access key just to connect to your AWS console. Yeah. So experiment has started. If you go to this, I have some 6 VMs, out of which I think I have 4 VMs are with that tag. So if you refresh it, so you can see that the 4 VMs is stopped in parallel mode with all of 100 affected percentage. If we give 50 as instance affected percentage, then two of them, and that selection would be random. So any two of them would have stopped. So it will now wait in stopped state. Now it will wait for certain chaos duration. What we mentioned. We have a chaos interval. What we mentioned here. There are some chaos intervals up to which it can wait, and after that chaos interval, it will again bring back those instances. And yeah, and that after that we will count whether the experiment is succeeded or not. So you can see that all the instances are coming parallelly, and it is in pending state. It will be ready soon. Yeah, so all are now ready. The checks will now be passed in few minutes, few seconds, I guess. After that we can say that your experiment is passed. So this was the enhancement we have added. There are certain modes, as I discussed. You can run this experiment in serial mode. Then the termination will occur serially, not in parallel mode, and of course with the instance affected percentage as well.